It is easy to give dimension on XY plane. If we click linear, first point, second point, location, so this dimension can be added very easily. But if we try to give it to a line in z-axis, if we click first point, second point, it is showing me as a 0 and it is not giving vertical dimension. So in such cases, click on this home and from here click on face option. Select the face and enter. Make the grid off. Then try to give the dimension linear, first point, second point, location. So it has given it properly. Same way, if I want to give the dimension here, again if I try to give it here now, then it is going on the front side, but I want it on the back side. For that, again you will have to click on the face option, select this face and enter, and again give the dimension, first point, second point, location. It will give there. So in this way you can use the face option in 3D to give the dimension on any face. Click on annotate, dimension, first point, second point, location. So in 3D you can give the dimension anywhere using face option. So thanks for watching. We will stop here.